Hello friends, welcome on this video. Daniel is here from Tips to Fix. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to cut large videos instantly without re-encoding or losing quality. Yes, you heard well. So if you have a large video like this, look at this guys. This one is 21 gigabyte video, is 4 hours and 52 minutes, is almost 6-hour video. This is very long video. Okay, if I play this video is really long one, but what I need from this video is only 50 minutes. I don't need it all because look at this. I let screen recorder for 5 hours and I don't want to put this video in Premiere Pro or CapCut or whatever. I don't know what software do you use for editing videos. And now imagine to put this video on Premiere Pro. Let me show you. So let's say that you need from the video 50 minutes, like here. Okay, now if you wanted to cut this part and delete all the other part, and then when you try to export the video, you will see that it will take a lot. Let's say export here, and look at this. It needs 1 hour to export, so I don't have time to wait for me. Okay, now I'm going to show you super easy method. Go ahead and search for LosslessCut. Okay, LosslessCut. And if you go here on GitHub, this is the official software. It's free, open source. Go here on releases and you will see that here is 3.69 version, the latest one. This software is for Mac, for Linux, for Windows, for everything what it is. Okay, this one here, LosslessCut, Windows 64-bit. Just download it here. I'm going to bring it here. Okay, here it is. I'm going to extract. Double click here on a LosslessCut exe file. This is the latest version, 3.69. Okay, now what we are going to do, let's try and let's see the video now. This is the long video that I have, 21 gigabyte.3, is 5 hours and 52 minutes. So it's 6-hour video. So what I'm going to do, just drag the large video here, and here it is. Now I only need 41 minutes. Okay, that's it. Here I wanted to cut it. I want to remove all the long part. So what I'm going to do, just click this small button here, this. Now I just cut the video. This is the part that I need, and I'm going to remove all the other part and make this video 3.4 gigabyte, not more than that. From 21 gigabyte to 3.4. This is great. There is an export button here, but it's not like other exports. This does not do any new rendering on. We don't have to lose any quality on this. So, and this process is not more than 1 minute process. As you see on the Premiere Pro, when you export it, it will re-encoding, it will re-render everything. But here on this LosslessCut software will not do this process. Okay, this will only cut the part that we need and will remove the other one. Okay, without changing the quality, without changing anything. Now you click that export button and you will keep this. You see this button here, overwrite existing files, will be overwritten without warning, so it will be fast. Keep this option here, it's very important. Click the export button. This process is fast. You see, 81, 83, 4, 5, 10 seconds. I think it will be not more than 1 minute. Look this, guys. 29, 30 seconds, 99.8. Okay. Let's see. It will catch 1 minute. Okay, it's done. 49 seconds. Show the file. Here it is. Okay, let's play the file with media player. And you see it's 42 minutes now, and this is the original video, but it's not longer and it's 3.2 gigabyte. This process is cool. You will find the link on the description. Guys, if you want it, go download the software, use it. It's free, open source. You don't have to pay anything, and you can use it for your Mac, for your Windows, for your Linux. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, and as always, God bless you, and see you on the next video tutorial.